Good morning, everybody. Welcome once again. And today, I thought we'll do something different from the usual and not so different at the same time. So, today we are going to talk about relationships. And before we do that, I want to specially once again appreciate and acknowledge Rama, Vetrivel, Kunen, and each and every one of you who made yesterday such a special day for me. You know, I mean, I am so happy. I've never been so happy in my life like I was yesterday. I mean, and Kunen, I must say, you must become seriously, you should look at becoming a radio announcer or, as an additional source of income or a compare. You know what these guys they call, Khawateen or Hazrat. हम आपका खैर मुकदम करते हैं. I mean, you're just a natural, huh? So that was good fun.
You made me natural, sir.
Ooh, yeah, I had something to do with it, but I think the work was all done by you.
Thank you, sir.
काम तो खुद ही करना पड़ता है ना. Like I'm very fond of saying that you can take the guy, you can make a thali full of food and keep it in front of that guy. You can even make a morsel, niwala, and put it in the person's mouth. But the chewing has to be done by themselves, right? So you are very good in taking stuff from the thali and putting in your mouth and chewing it properly and digesting it very well, I should say. Right? So we have lots of people here who do it very well. Some don't. They just want to accumulate, they want to buy the food and keep it in the kitchen. Like a lot of people buy books and keep it in the library. Right? Some of them don't even read the books. They feel happy saying, yeah, how many books I've got, And there are some people who read the books and say, very nice stuff written over there. And that's it. And they use that stuff from time to time to tell people, how many books they've read and what's there in it. But we are different, I mean, can you imagine getting up every morning so early and coming over here and looking at the same faces every day? How nice. Some people say, sir, kuch variety hona chahiye. So what to do? Maybe we'll buy those, when you watch that movie, what's it called? Mission Impossible. So they make those faces like they're very real, made of rubber. So we should put new faces and come. And then how will our relationship with each other be? Because after all, we relate with what we see. So I was thinking this morning, what if suddenly we have a different face? Even before I thought that, when I joined the call, Priya was on the call and she said, sir, why is it that all the people I'm feeling guilty that I don't deserve to be in such a great place. People are treating me so nicely, they don't treat others nicely, but they're treating me nicely. And that's something to do with who Priya is, isn't it? Because Priya hai, तो लोग उनसे अच्छे से and क्योंकि सुरेश कुमार है, सब लोग उनसे बहुत प्यार से पेश करते हैं, especially the ladies.
प्रिया का तो नाम ही प्रिया है.
लेडीज बहुत प्यार से पेश आते हैं because वो सुरेश कुमार है. Now suppose we give him a mask, do a face transformation and put a different face on him, then so that's how relationships are. I've been thinking that we only see the person on the outside.
No, even if we change the mask, people will treat me the same because I am what I am.
How will they know it is you? That is a good part, no? If you are having a different face, how will people know that it is the same Suresh Kumar?
No, but my relation, action, whatever.
After some time, they will see the mannerisms. Sometimes they'll see your behavior. They'll realize, oh, this is Suresh. They'll recognize you by what you do, right? Not by your face.
Yeah, that is my identity. Face is not my identity. Maybe initially, but
Exactly. Such a
Isn't
beautiful
it?
and profound thing.
Isn't that the story of that Gidad who put the Sher Ka Hal, but his activities were the same?
Exactly. So you are going to be defined by who you be, not but what do you look like, right? But in this world, so anyway, let's look at something very interesting. I think it's a very interesting thing for all of us because we face these kind of things all the time in our life. So this is a topic for the day. And I seriously want to look at it with you, solving problems in relationships. Do you think it's a good topic for the day? So because some people have a problem in a relationship and some people have a problem that they've got no problem in a relationship. Like today morning, I was talking to Priya, so she's getting a little concerned. Okay, why everybody is behaving nicely with me? They don't behave nicely with others. So she's getting worried now कि कितने दिन चलेगा ऐसे? कई लोगों को मेरी इतना पता चल जाए.
yeah, sir, as long as she is nice to everyone, everyone is nice to her.
Exactly.
What I feel.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Anyway, so let's look at this lovely topic, solving. So what do we want in our relationships? It's a good question to think about for a little bit. What do we want in our relationships? So just don't give me the stock ready-made answers that we all have, okay? In the relationships that you already have, whether they are good or they are not good, whether you have a problem or you don't have a problem, what is it that you want in your relationships? Would you like to share a little bit on that? Put some light on it. What do you want in your relationships? Enna, Vanam. What do you want? Huh? Please.
Sir, generally what I feel is everyone looks pleasure, not pressure in relationship. Happy,
Yo, Baba, Re, this is
compatible.
with you guys, You're giving such lovely philosophical answers. I cannot even scold you. At the same time, if you don't know, if you don't state clearly what you want, how would you recognize it when you get it? So a lot of people will say, Reddy Garu, if nobody is in my house is talking to me, no, I'll have lot of peace. They should stay away from me and not talk to me. Then I'll be having peace. Is that what you want?
Mutual support and mutual appreciation.
Mutual support and mutual appreciation. Okay. That's one of the things that you are saying. Okay, somebody else. Reddy Garu is trying to say something, but the different words.
Harmony, sir. Harmony.
So what they should be doing that you will say now there is harmony? Okay, Leena, you say.
Sir, respect, love, then harmony, caring.
Respect, love, harmony, caring.
Trust.
And trust, yeah.
Okay. So the important thing is that you should be, Hasina ji, I think somebody's got some background. See, the important thing is you said some very nice things, Leena. I really appreciate it. Right? But you should be able to say to yourself that they are doing all these things. They may be doing this in their own way. So can you repeat what you said, Leena? There were 4 or 5 very lovely things you said.
Yes, love, respect, caring, support, harmony, trust.
Love, support, caring, support, harmony. Wow. Now, what would you be looking to see?
Ah,
Well, the only thing that you can see is people's behavior, isn't it?
ah.
You cannot see love. It's not love is not a thing that they are going to give you. Take love here. Love, here's love.
Yes, sir. But we can feel it.
हाँ, फील तो बाद में फील होगा, चाहे आपको आंखों में आंखें डाल, love. You can feel that love, yeah. You will be looking to see something, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Matlab, if you see something and then you say, see how much they love me.
Yeah, behavior is also very important.
Yeah, so that is in our own mind, certain behavior, we say that if they are doing like this, like me, I'll tell you, I can share about my life. I used to say, as long as they always say, very good, Sudeepak, very good. I agree. Please go ahead, do more. Fantastic fellow you are. You know? I'll say, see how much they love me, you know, because they're appreciating me, you know.
Mhm.
And once if somebody said to you, you idiot, this is not the way to do things. Can't you get it right? Can't you do
Yes.
anything correct? I'll say, oh shit, they don't love me.
Oh. Mhm.
See, so what I'm trying to say is that what is it that you're looking to see people doing? Then you can say, oh, they're giving me what I want.
So such understanding should be there. If somebody is saying something,
Understanding.
huh?
Understanding क्या होता है?
अंडरस्टैंडिंग मीन्स जैसे उसने कुछ बोल दिया तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हाँ हमारे भले के लिए बोल रहा है या जो भी है.
So can you see that there is something which people will do, or you want to do?
Okay.
You want that people should do something,
Yeah.
or behave in a certain manner, and then you will say, "Yeah, they are having love for me. They are having support for me." See, for example, Lena starts a new project, and Lena says, "कि मैं ये सीख के आई हूँ, मुझे ये program करना है." ठीक है?
हाँ.
And then she may be expecting from others that they will support me in it.
हाँ.
But support ka kya support? I mean, do they know what kind of support you want?
जब when we tell them that this support I want, then they will know.
If I first have to tell them
Yeah.
that this is what I want and they do it, then you'll say, I'm getting the support that I want. Correct? But there's a lot of times people say, of course, I'm supporting you. So you say, but how you're supporting me? They'll say, of course, I'm letting you do what you want. No? So that is support. So what looks like support to you and what looks like support to them could be different also, no?
Yeah.
उनको लग रहा है कि मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, आपको नहीं लग रहा है कि वो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा. Okay.
So the first thing may be very useful to be very, very clear that, hello, what do I want in our relationship? See, earlier I used to think that, if I do some program and I'm so enthusiastic about it, my wife should also be enthusiastic about it. She should also want to do the same thing. Right? Then I realized, hello, they may be totally loving me and supporting me, okay, but they are not interested in the same things that I'm interested in.
Okay.
So then I can say, oh, they are not supporting me. So first of all, step number one is, see, I'll tell you one thing. All upsets are caused when our expectations are not fulfilled. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, yes.
So now, what the question I'm asking is, what do you want in your relationship? It's an expectation.
Yeah.
Okay, so you may communicate that expectation and they may agree to fulfill it. Or you may communicate your expectation. They may say, sorry, this one I cannot fulfill.
Okay.
So suppose one of your preconditions is, precondition, you understand? If somebody has a great relationship with me, then they should always fulfill my expectation. If you have an expectation, will you ever have any good relationship in your life? Yeah. So one of the things is very clear that we do want something in our relationships. And I want you to really think about that, because how many of your upsets are caused because your expectations are not being fulfilled by the people in your life?
Yes.
And how many of those expectations have you actually communicated to those people? How many of those expectations they have agreed to fulfill
हाँ,
and they promise to fulfill it?
okay.
So, I'll give you an example. एक साहब जी हैं और he gets वो फौजी थे, all right? Or he had come to one of my, he was actually a wing commander from the Air Force. Okay?
हाँ,
So this guy came to one of my programs. It was a relationship program. Okay.
okay.
So one of the processes, exercises in the program was that you say, okay, what is it that you are not? I mean, what's your complaint in your relationship? So that guy starts off, when his turn came to speak, he said, my wife, no, I don't like her habits. I'm really fed up with my wife, I'm very unhappy. So I said, what happened? No, but I'm very unhappy. I mean, this is not the way a wife should be. So I said, okay, what is it that she does not do? Does she not wear good clothes? And is she ugly? I said, no, she's a very pretty lady. I said, does she behave properly? She has good social behavior. Yeah. She's very good social behavior. I said, what about your food in the house? She makes good food. Yeah. She's a very good cook. Do you have parties and all? And we do have. She's very good hostess also. I said, you have children? We have 3 children also. Very good. But she's not. But I'm very fed up with her. I said, is she nagging? Ye mat karo, mat karo. No, she's not nagging me also. Pretty physical compatibility, okay. Sex life is fine. He says, yeah. That's why we got 3 children. Yeah, that's not a problem. But I don't like her. She's very bad, This is not the way. I said, does she get up and make tea for you in the morning? So, of course, all good wives are supposed to make tea for me. Of course, she does that also. Arey Baba, then what is the problem with her? So you know what he says? वो ढक्कन नहीं लगाती है. That means she does not put the lid. So I said, can you please explain what you mean by that? He said, if she opens the masala dabba, she will leave it open. If she opens the cookie box, the cake box or the biscuit box, she will leave it open. वो ढक्कन नहीं लगाती है. मैंने कहा, I said, so he's a wonderful person in every way. One thing she doesn't do. I said, when she came to you when she was married, she promised you every time I open a ढक्कन, I will close it. But वो तो अकल होनी चाहिए ना. She should have the brains too. If you open something, you have to close it. Very fool. If such a big problem for you, you go and close it, na. I'm not kidding.
मुझे ये तो यही सबसे बड़ा ढक्कन है.
टीवी खुला छोड़ देती है, अलमारी खोलती है तो अलमारी को छोड़ देती है. तुमने गीजर ऑन होता है तो गीजर ऑन छोड़ देती है. So one bloody expectation of his is not getting fulfilled. So I asked him, have you ever told her this? He said, every day I tell her 5 times. I said, what do you say? He said, I'm complaining all the time. A small thing she can't do. So many things she is doing. She can't do this. At least I said, thank you very much. You realize that she's doing so many things for you. So this is on a lighter note, but it really happened. And this guy really shared it with me. Okay. I said, have you ever considered that it's a habit? It may take some time for her to change that habit. I even asked him, I said, does she put her finger in her nose? He says, no. Does she comb her hair properly? Oh, yeah. So 99 out of 100 things she's doing perfectly. One bad habit she's got, and he's upset in his relationship. How do you like that? That's why it's a very good habit, to be very clear what you want in your relationship, because you may be happy to know that 90% of the things are being fulfilled by them. Even though you may have not told them also, still they're doing it.
Yeah, communication is very necessary.
Yeah, but that's a very general statement. Communicating our desires and our expectations, and then being open that they may agree to fulfill all of those expectations or not. You tell me, is it a realistic expectation to expect that somebody will fulfill all your expectations?
No.
Like I know a lot of unhappy men who become bankrupt, because they are trying to fulfill the expectations of their wives. Because their wives expect that whatever I open my mouth and I say, the husband should provide that. My neighbor has got
Some
BMW, get me BMW also. You know. My neighbor has got gold plates in the house, for food. Husband says, I never seen that in their house. They say, no, but they have them in the Almara. My neighbor, my friend's husband, every month he buys expensive jewelry for me, for his wife. You should also buy. So the bloody fool will start taking loans and buying you stuff. Because the stupid husband also got some kida in his head that, it's my moral duty to fulfill all expectations of my family. Hello, we can communicate and negotiate also, no? Okay, this one I can, this one I will not fulfill now. Yeah, Suresh?
yes, sir. Then he also can say, my friend's wife is so simple, she doesn't demand anything.
So that's what, no? Then the whole story becomes that only. Mai. This is what happens, no?
Yes, yes.
Rishton
Certain things we have to overlook. We have to overlook or forgive or
No,
agar
communicate and
लगता है
agree
तो
on something.
yeah.
We overlook and then we carry in our mind and it increases the distance between us and the other person.
No, we have to forgive, overlook and forgive.
That's easy to say. Of course, that's one of the things that you can do.
Yeah, otherwise you will not have peace. You will be in pieces.
I like that. You will not be in peace, you will be in pieces. I like that one. You will not be in peace, you will be in pieces. टुकड़े हुए हजार, कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहां गिरा. So first of all, get clear. Now, see, all these questions are not general questions. Today in your relationships, what do you want today? जो चला गया है उसको भूल जाओ. आज आपको अपने रिश्तों में क्या मांगता है, क्या चाहिए? What do you see? What you wanted from your children when they were 10 years old is different from what you want from them now that they are going to college and they're going to get into a profession. It's very good to know. First of all, you should know what you want. Secondly, you might want to communicate with them with the openness that they will say yes or no. So are you clear? That's my question to you. And especially in the relationships where there is a problem, are you very clear what you want from them? See, sometimes what happens, we are living with a problem for so long, you say, yaar, wo to kabhi theek hone wala hi nahi hai. So I am forgiving and forgetting only. That's all I can do. तो उम्मीद ही छोड़ देने का है.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but I think we are somewhere also maybe scared to, and also not very clear what we want, and also scared that if we put it, it might break a relationship or it might cause a dent.
Yeah, these are all our own beliefs, no? That's coming in.
That's what I'm saying. So we are stuck in them.
That's right. But I'm not able to make out who's speaking.
Sir, Vandana, I wrote to you. We spoke that day. You said write to me. I said add me in the group.
Yeah, but where are you? I can't see you on the call.
We.
I'm able to see the people.
The we.
Letter V.
Yes, sir. I'm not on the video call. I'm on my screen is there.
Button daba ke.
Sorry?
You know how to change your name, right?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, if you don't mind. I mean, if you want to remain.
Yeah, no problem. No, I actually, what happened, my phone got bad, so it got changed. In fact, I haven't been able to do all the settings.
Okay,
so it came, I'll change it today. I'll do that.
In the meantime, you ask your question again.
Yeah, so my thing was, I was just hearing what you're saying. So I was saying, we in a relationship, firstly, we ourselves have not sorted out what are we expecting. वो चल रहा है तो चल रहा है, कोई भी है. And then we are also scared कि हम उसको ये बोलेंगे तो how he or she will react and it might cause a dent.
Yeah, so better to keep quiet. Huh?
That's
But
what
ये कैसे,
we do.
मुझे ये बताओ वंदना, this is
हाँ
like
जी.
saying कि if I step out of my door,
Mhm.
I might meet with an accident, so I'll stay inside the house. आप
Right,
ऐसे-
that's what I'm saying, the fear.
Yeah, so it's a very genuine fear some people have.
Mhm.
And it's not, I mean, there will be some basis for that fear also. So you're talking
Could
about,
be.
say, I think the kind of relationship you're talking about is a relationship where you've been with these people for a period of time.
Right, I'm just, I was just putting things, this thing, I was observing one of my friends, I just visited them and my sister, where I see that husband and wife, I mean, itni usme, matlab, what do you call that, acrimony, fight, for little things, which when I see as an outsider, I find it strange and funny, कि इतना छोटा सा issue बात करके क्यों नहीं resolve करते, why are they fighting over it every day?
तो मैडम यही तो है, मेरा एक पेशा है, उसको बोलते हैं मैं एम अ मीडिएटर. ऐसे रिश्ते
Okay.
मुझे बुलाया जाता है कि इनकी मीडिएशन करो, इनकी सुलह कराओ, राइट? एंड समटाइम्स देयर आर सच वंडरफुल पीपल बिहेविंग लाइक ब्लडी इडियट्स, यू नो. तो मैं एक ही
Sir, I believe all are wonderful, but ये एक mental block कह लो या जो भी, मतलब अच्छे लोग हैं, मगर आपस में नहीं कुछ भी कर सकते, वो
वो
करते बहुत हैं एक दूसरे के लिए.
मैं उनसे एक ही सवाल पूछता हूँ बार बार.
हाँ जी.
पता है वो सवाल क्या है? कि तुम चाहते
Sir, you are
That's what I
on
said,
mute.
maybe the clarity is missing. And we don't focus on it also.
That is fine. These are all very philosophical things. Very nice. Thank you very much, Vandana ji. That's why I'm asking you all very specifically, what do you want in your relationships? Relationships which exist today. You know, there is I always tell people to measure their relationship. You know, जैसे हम गाड़ी का speed measure करते हैं ना, that tells us how fast the car is going. So
Right.
in people who work with me, they know I will always ask them to evaluate their relationships on 3 factors. Number 1 is affinity. Okay. Number 2 is relatedness, and number 3 is communication. So
Affinity, relatedness.
yeah, relatedness or agreement, I call it. And the last one is
So, communication.
so when you rate, so you look at your relationships and you rate them. Okay. So rate them means what? How high is your affinity? Affinity, you understand? Nazdikiyan.
Nazdikiyan, closeness.
How close you feel, how close these two people feel with each other. All right. Do they feel close to each other? How much is it? So you put it on a scale of 0 to 10. How much is it? Then you look at relatedness. When I talk about relatedness or agreement, we bol sakte hain isko. How many things are we agreeing about? Okay. How many things we really understand and know about each other?
Okay.
The agreement means sometimes you may even agree that, okay, on this point, we don't agree. Okay, but we are very clear that what is your point of view on this. And the third one is communication. Communication is, are you communicating with them freely, openly, without fear? You know, like when you are with your best friends and you have no inhibitions, you can say anything with them without fear. जैसे बच्चे होते हैं, चुलबुल, communicate anything. Okay, are you able to do that? So on that scale of communication, how many marks do you give? Right? If you're not able to give 3 marks, I mean good marks on all 3 measures, then obviously your relationship needs to be worked upon. Okay. So if you measure your relationship today, where would it stand? First, you look at that. See, now we are not talking theoretical stuff here. We're talking very practical stuff
Practical.
relating to our everyday life. आज की जिंदगी में, if I look at my relationships, what do I want in my relationship? If my affinity is very high, then wonderful. If my relatedness is also very high, wonderful. If I'm freely communicating with them. आपने देखा होगा कई लोगों की लव मैरिज होती है, जैसे मेरी भी हुई है,
Mhm.
एक बार नहीं बार बार हुई है. एंड बड़ा भी यार, पहले तो बड़ा मजा आता है, मतलब कि ARC बड़ा हाई होता है, तीनों चीजें.
Mhm.
6 महीने के अंदर अंदर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है.
Hmm.
फिर हम गाने गाने लगे, ये दूरियां. तो ये दूरियां क्यों आती हैं? कि what is it that we want? And interestingly, all those wants were getting fulfilled when you decided to get into the relationship, right?
Hmm.
फिर वो कहते हैं ना, हनीमून पीरियड के बाद ना हमारी वांट्स चेंज हो जाती है.
Hmm.
पहले एक ही वांट होती है शायद, हार्मोनल जो भी है.
Hmm.
So what are, I mean, if we are living with someone, we are having a relationship with someone, isn't there something that you want in your relationship? Don't you think we should be clear कि भाई आज मुझे चाहिए क्या है? I mean, people are complaining. There was one marriage on the verge of breakup, you know. So the lawyer who happens to be, he believes in, he called me, Mandeep, कहता है, oh यार, talk to these two, these are really nice people, ऐसे idiot के जैसे behave कर रहे हैं. तो I asked the wife, what do you want? She says, घर ही नहीं आते हैं, रोज रात को 11 बजे घर आते हैं. तो I asked him, यार तू घर क्यों नहीं आता है? क्या करूंगा घर जाके? मैं कहा, what do you mean क्या करूंगा घर जाके? Like a normal guy, तुम खाना खाओ और अपना बीवी के साथ बातें रहते करो और सो जाओ. उसको फुर्सत क्या है? खाना भी नहीं बनाती है मेरे लिए.
Hmm.
बोलते ले लो खा लो.
Hmm. Communication lack.
नहीं, खाना नहीं बनाती है भाई.
तो सर उसने कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हुई ना कि मुझे लिए तू खाना नहीं बनाती इसलिए मैं परेशान हूँ तेरे से.
नहीं, उसने कई बार ही बोला था.
Hmm.
वो नहीं करती है. कहते ले लो ना, वहां पे रखा हुआ है, ले लो.
Hmm.
तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है दोनों.
Hmm.
इट इज अ वर्ज, आई मीन वो डिवोर्स कोर्ट तक पहुंच गए.
Hmm. So not willing to adapt to each other.
देवर इन अ सिचुएशन, वो बोलते हैं ना 6 महीने के लिए पहले होता था, टू गिव
हाँ जी.
सेपरेशन फॉर 1 year, समथिंग लाइक
हाँ
दैट.
जी.
तो उसके अंदर वो उनका लॉयर जो बहुत अच्छा था, इसे रिकंसाइल करो. भाई प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Hmm.
इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग टुगेदर कि यार तू चाहता क्या है?
Hmm.
मैं घर आता हूँ तो आई शुड फील लाइक मैं घर आया हूँ ना.
Hmm.
तो मैंने कहा वो लेडी को, मैंने कहा व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम, क्या हो गया? नहीं, उसकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर वो गर्म करके खा ले तो उसको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Hmm.
यार बट उसकी वो रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो सोचता है कि भाई बीवी खाना गर्म करके दे, साथ में बैठ. बट मेरा सीरियल चल रहा है, मैं सीरियल देखना है मेरे को.
Hmm.
Then she's addict. She's a serial addict. Okay, she doesn't want to give that up. So what the guy was,
Everybody has requirements, so they are not.
रोज पी के आता है.
Hmm.
रोज पी के आता है. He drinks and comes every day, right?
Hmm.
I said, why the hell do you drink? तो he said, मैं इतनी देर बैठ के करूंगा क्या बाहर? तो बाहर क्यों जाता है? तो घर जाके करूंगा क्या?
Hmm.
तो क्योंकि बैठा होता है तो he'll have a drink or two and then he'll come back
Hmm.
and he'll eat also there only.
Hmm.
And he comes home 11 o'clock, goes to sleep.
Hmm.
You ask him, why are you doing that? He said, what should I do? She's too busy to watch everybody TV.
Hmm.
She doesn't want to talk to me.
Hmm.
So I told that fellow, bloody fool, तेरे पास वो टाटा स्काई है? कहता हाँ है. तो मैंने कहा वो रिकॉर्डिंग वाला सेट टॉप बॉक्स ले ले.
Hmm.
So I asked that lady, मैंने कहा मैडम आप उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग करके बाद में देख लेना ना जब आप वेली होती हो.
Hmm.
कहती हाँ, I can do that.
Hmm.
Sometimes the solution is very simple, but instead of both parties getting together, that's where the agreement comes. Okay, दोनों बात करके communicate करके
Communication.
come to an agreement कि how to solve this problem.
Hmm.
Because the problem is affecting both parties. They don't want to discuss that.
Hmm.
They want to only complain and blame each other.
Hmm.
तो उसमें solution मिलेगा उनको?
Lack of communication and committedness.
Give the stock answers, yeah. They are not willing to discuss and find a solution.
That's what I'm saying,
हो
sir.
रही है ना?
Hmm.
There is a certain type of communication taking place.
Right.
You ask them to
Which is
communicate.
negative. Hmm.
Yeah, complaining communication is happening.
Right.
उनको
And they're
communication
not able to
उसमें रहते हैं।
understand him or her. दोनों अपनी जगह ठीक है, उसका सीरियल इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसको खाना गरम मिले टेबल पे वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है।
Right.
दोनों की अपनी
Instead of,
aspirations है।
भाई दोनों की ख्वाहिशें पूरी कैसे की जाएं, instead of sitting and discussing that with each other, they are only busy blaming each other.
Yeah, and focusing on that.
वो कोस रहे एक दूसरे को, that's all they are doing.
Right.
See, that's why it's very clear कि what the hell do you want in your relationship. One moment, I think Rama has something very urgent he wants to talk about, so let's listen to him.
Sure. Thank
No,
you.
no, it is in the same line as Vandana ji is talking, sir. I also experience and see that first and foremost, we are not clear about the expectations. Even whatever the expectations which are clear, we are afraid of communicating that. Right? So maybe it is because, oh, what if they don't agree with me? But anyway, if you don't communicate, they don't even know.
There is no question of agreement anyway.
Exactly. So, but I see that no happening. It's a very irrational and it is counterintuitive, but that's what happens. The other one is we basically take it for granted. The relationships, we take it for granted that it will work. It is supposed to work in the ideal way, but we ourselves don't have that clarity or behave the way I supposed to be behaving in that particular relationship. So one is not having clarity, second, not communicating, third, not taking sufficient time and not giving importance to that. So these are all the basic fundamental mistakes I also make, and that's the reason for not having good relationship to start with.
Well, one moment, Ashokji, I'll come to you also. See, one very useful thing you said, Rama.
Yeah.
Take for granted.
Yes.
So one of these things that we take for granted is that relationships are going to be like this only.
Yeah, correct. Even if it is bad, I have to live with that.
A lot of people believe like this. Now marriage is like this only. You have to live with this woman now.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's going to remain like this only, and you have to live with her. I mean, happiness is not there. Happiness is short-lived, and that is what we do. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Ashok ji, and then after that, Gautam ji.
It's a different thing which I'm trying to poke. A similar thing, differences of opinion or expectations, etc., do happen in management also. But there the way to get them resolved are totally different, and nobody is hurt. Here, I suppose the ego also comes in picture, or too closeness.
We expect more.
Closeness comes in a picture. There is something, because this happens practically in every house. There is no, I don't think there is any house. Okay, they may be resolving, they may be peaceful, but this kind of difference happens in every family, every relationship. It need not be only husband and wife. It can be father and son.
Very right.
It can be with daughter-in-law. Everywhere.
Ashok ji. Now,
Yes, sir.
My request is, please hold these points for some time.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
वो भी बताता हूँ आपको. Do you notice one thing, very interesting one? I asked a very simple question from everybody. What is the question? What do we want in our relationships?
Relationship.
Everybody will talk everything except कि भाई मैं आज के डेट में अपने रिश्ते से क्या चाहता हूँ.
We don't express ourselves fully.
Right now,
I still expect. मेरे मन की बात आप जाननी चाहिए. मेरे मन की बात आपने क्यों नहीं जानी?
आज की डेट में मैं चाहता क्या हूँ? I'm asking you. Like Subdeepak is asking, Ashok, Gautam, Suresh, Vandana, Rama.
So I think it's basic respect which we are expecting from the other person.
You
compassion.
The basic respect you want, right? How would you
Yes.
recognize it if he's having that respect?
So if he or she or anybody in the relationship is able to give me what I want. Give me doesn't mean materialistic. It could be my emotions, my feeling, what I need.
That's what I'm asking you. What do you want?
Harmony.
आप नाम दे रहे हो, you're calling it respect. I want respect. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
What is respect? I mean, somebody
This-
he may say कि मैं तुम्हें respect दे तो रहा हूँ.
नहीं दे तो रहा हूँ नहीं, प्रैक्टिकली कैसे देगा
हाँ तो वो
या देगी?
वो पूछेगा ना कि बताओ मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा कि तुम्हें लगे कि मैं तुम्हारी रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Communicate with.
Let it come from no.
Yeah.
Let me do what I want to do. Let me do the things my way rather than imposing on me or telling me कि
Now
ये
you are
ऐसे होना
becoming
चाहिए.
specific. Now you are
Yes.
becoming specific. वो
Okay.
मुझे मेरी मनमानी करने नहीं देता है, उसका मतलब है कि वो मेरी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता है.
नहीं करता है.
Right. I feel so.
Yeah.
You want
मनमानी is could be anyway.
whatever.
जैसे वो खाना नहीं देती या वो टीवी नहीं देखने देता.
नहीं. Okay. See, all I'm saying at this point of time is you be very clear what you want.
Right.
So what you're
And
saying,
communicate it.
see, what you're saying is very simple. Let me do things the way I want to.
My way.
यही चाहती हो ना
हाँ जी.
कि जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ मुझे करने दो ना जैसे मुझे करना है.
हाँ जी.
Don't try to tell me how to do. Even in corporate, there are certain people, they don't like to be told. They say कि सर आप बोल दो मुझे क्या काम चाहिए आपको, रिजल्ट क्या चाहिए मेरे को बता दो. You tell me what result you want. I'll do it in my way. Don't tell me how to do it. I'll find out my own way of doing the things. They don't like to be told.
Mhm.
So in your case, you are saying, let me do what I want, Baba. मुझे बंदी
Let
बना
me-
दिया तुमने.
Yeah, yes, and I am willing to listen. If there's something कि किसी और को दुख हो या any problem you have, I am willing to discuss and see how we can do it.
Yeah. I know one person, and her husband is very rich guy. Okay, he earns about 5 lakh rupees salary every month. Okay, and his wife happens to come from a very rich family,
Mhm.
and she was used to spending as much as she wants.
Right.
Now today her halat is ye ki if she orders something, she cannot order anything from Amazon because husband doesn't give her Amazon password.
Mhm.
He doesn't allow her to open an Amazon account also.
Right.
Okay.
Card
Now-
block कर दिया या जो भी हुआ anyway.
No, without that also you can order from Amazon, no?
अच्छा, yeah, if you have membership.
Now when she orders anything from Amazon, she has to answer 500 questions. Why did you order it? What was the
Yes.
need to order it?
Okay. Okay.
Right? And she says, my
Right.
husband does not respect me.
Mhm. So that's what I exactly said. If you feel that it is bothering or I am doing something wrong, you're willing to openly discuss and mend it. That was my
But you
second
have to
line.
be first clear, na, Vandana ji.
Yes.
If
Right.
you are
Right.
yourself-
वही तो फिर
आप instead of
communication.
telling someone, किसी से बात कर रहे हो, आप बोल रहे हो तुम मेरी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हो, तो बोलेगा मैं अपने घर में रखा हुआ है ना, तुमको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है तो और क्या चाहिए तुमको? मैं क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्यों कह रहे हो मेरे को कि मैं रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ? So you have to be very clear and specific what you want, right?
Yes.
See, in one particular case, there's a person who goes on shouting and screaming, उसको प्यार से बात करना नहीं आता है. Okay? तो जब भी थोड़ा सा stress, whenever she becomes a little bit stressed about anything, she will start shouting and screaming. And the poor husband, only thing he wants in life, ये बात तुम प्यार से भी बोल सकते हो.
प्यार से भी बोल सकती थी.
Right? He doesn't understand कि भैया she is लाचार, प्यार से बोल ही नहीं पाती है. When she is in tension, she will only know one formula called shouting. Okay? मेरे साथ बीत चुकी है. I was a guy. All right? And I sorted out the problem also.
How?
By finding out exactly what the problem is. I mean, my problem was communicated finally. So
So
that's
one more question I asked कि आप communicate करते नहीं हो mostly अपने relationship में, which could be समझ ही नहीं है आपको what you want, or it could be also the fear. Mostly I see in Indian households, especially women have this problem.
See, some of them have this problem because they come with a lot of preconceived ideas about ये लोग सुनेंगे नहीं, they will not listen, he's a man, there's no point of saying anything. माँ से सीख के
I
आई
think,
है.
sir, there is also, I just came across somebody whom I just know casually. She is under so much of turmoil today and she is unable to communicate करती है तो कोई सुनता भी नहीं है. So she's under so much, I think it's lack of financial independence also for women especially.
बाबा, so many things we keep on adding to this ना. Simple बातें क्यों ऐड कर रही हो?
नहीं सर, आप कह रहे हो ना communicate नहीं करते.
आप कह रहे हो कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते, मैं कह रहा हूँ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, बट जो बोलना चाहिए वो नहीं बोलते हैं.
Specifically to the point.
हाँ, अगला आदमी,
मुझे ये चाहिए.
Yeah, because there is a way of communication which will get through to someone, and there is a way which will not get through to someone.
Right.
I have seen a lot of these relationships where the moment the other person, other person means either wife or husband, whoever, the moment the other person opens the mouth, the other one will stop listening. तो सुनना ही छोड़ दे.
हाँ जी, they go blank.
पता है यार, उसने बस वही कंप्लेन उसकी शुरू हो जानी है दोबारा.
शुरू हो जानी है.
तो वो सुनता ही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं सुनता है भाई?
He's gone numb with complaints over the years.
हैं?
वो numb हो गया सुन के over the years.
Because
फर्क ही
it
नहीं
doesn't
पड़ता.
make sense to him कि भाई ये तो भौंक क्यों रहे हो
उसका
भाई?
काम ही यही है.
He's thinking कि तुम्हें चाहिए क्या है बाबा? He's come to a point where he starts believing कि बाबा मेरे बस की नहीं है, I will never be able to satisfy this person. इसने कभी खुश किया नहीं है. So he stops listening. So the culprit is that, first of all, my dear friends, if you don't, first of all, you be clear what you want, yeah.
Right.
Right.
And then you communicate it to
That
him or her.
I have not come to that point till now. What you should do about that. First, let us be very clear what we want. Our needs. Okay, 1 minute. So let me complete with Ashok ji and Ramaji. Yes, Ashok ji, anything else you want to add about what we want in our relationships?
Not to add, but parallel situations in management, they happen. Parallel situations, they happen between father and son, father and maybe daughter-in-law, mother-in-law and daughter-in-law, even between brother and sister also it happens.
Because we are not conveying our expectation clearly.
We are not conveying.
We are also not clear what we want.
But in management, the relationship doesn't get spoiled. It is taken as a management decision. It is taken as, oh, kya, what a serious discussions we had, what a beautiful discussions we had. Now it is all sorted out, who should do what, etc., etc.
Day before yesterday. Day before.
So there it doesn't, but it doesn't hurt anybody's feeling. Here, anything which is said, first it scratches the feeling. I don't know, but वो एक घर में बात करो तो जख्म होती है, उधर बात करो तो मैनेजमेंट का डिसीजन है. It doesn't spoil.
सर एक पॉइंट और भी है, ऑफिस में अगर वही बात आपको बोली जाए तो आप करते हैं, और वही अगर घर में बोली जाए तो आप उसे इतने कैजुअली लेते हैं, नहीं करते.
अभी देखो कितने बढ़िया एग्जांपल कम्युनिकेशन के हो रहे हैं. मैं ऑब्जर्वर हूँ. हम लोग 3 कदम आगे क्यों जाते हैं यार? स्टे इन द कॉन्वर्सेशन. आस्ते आस्ते इस अनियन को पील करते हैं ना, गहराई में जाएंगे. फिर हम लोग ऊपर रहना बहुत कुछ बोलते जा रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ डिफरेंस, क्योंकि ऑफिस में हमारी उतनी ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती है, तो अपने नहीं है ना. अपनों से जो पड़ती है तो ज्यादा चोट लगती है. तो जाहिर है, when somebody close to you, you don't expect them to behave in a certain way, right? In the job you say कि यार जॉब है, लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं, तो कोई बात नहीं. Day before yesterday, I was coaching this guy. You know that I do a lot of corporate coaching, senior level person. And I was asking क्या problem क्या है? He was having some problem in a relationship with one of his senior colleagues. He's a very senior chap, right? So if you're a vice president, you will be dealing with, senior HODs and all that. तो उनके साथ दादागिरी नहीं कर सकते. So he was having a big problem. And you know something, at the end of the discussion, what I found out? And he found out, he's not communicating clearly his expectation to that senior colleague of his. You know what was a simple thing which he was expecting and was not happening, and he has not communicated that? प्रॉब्लम कुछ और है सर, उसको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट दे दो ना, कभी टाइम से करता नहीं है, कभी भी टाइम से नहीं होता है। मैंने कहा ओके, नहीं होता है टाइम से, तो क्यों नहीं होता है? अगर तेरा बंदा, if your man is not finishing the job on time and he is reporting to you, what the bloody hell are you doing? Are you not equally responsible? Who's responsible to make sure that the guy does the job on time? He says, I am responsible. So then what have you done about it other than what have you done about it other than complaining? I said, how many times it has happened that he has not given a project on time? He says 6 times, sir. I said, when the first time only when he did not deliver something on time, what did you do? I fired him. I said, by firing him, he will do what you want him to do. What you should have done? Sir, I should have done a root cause analysis to find out why the delay happens. I said, you are waiting for the same problem to happen 6 times. Now you are realizing you should have done a root cause analysis. Sir, but I can only do if he tells me what the problem is. So tomorrow the project has to be delivered, and 2 days before he's telling me that it is going to be late. What can I do? The problem is he's not informing you in time that he's in trouble. Sir, time se bolna chahiye na ki I'm in hot water, then I can help him out. I said, then the problem is he's not telling you in time that there is a problem. So why is he not telling you in time there is a problem? So maybe he's afraid I will fire him. So the real problem was that there was no relationship of openness and trust between him and his staff member. So the staff member is always afraid to come and tell his boss, sir, I'm in difficulty, and because of the difficulties, project is getting delayed. Please help me. He's not feeling, comfortable. Like Vandana was saying, na, wives are afraid to tell their husband that he will fire me. Arey Baba, that is the risk you have to take. Because if the job is not done to his satisfaction, in any case, he is going to fire you.
Any case.
But people don't, they communicate something. बोलते मैं communicate.
Isn't it? फिर भी रिश्ते चलते रहते हैं, जो मैंने देखा है, कैसे मुझे नहीं पता.
बड़े अच्छे रिश्ते हैं. I've seen in Indian marriages 50 साल उनके रिश्ते चलते हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
हाँ, मगर बात नहीं करते.
बात नहीं करते और पता ही नहीं है किसको क्या चाहिए या क्यों चाहिए या क्या उसकी प्रॉब्लम है.
एटलीस्ट अमेरिका में इजी है ना, नहीं चल रहे रिश्ता तो छोड़ देते हैं.
आई नो, थैंक यू.
यहाँ पे बैठ के ना मिर्ची लगाते रहते एक दूसरे को, रिजॉल्विंग इट. अरे यार,
your life hell and his life hell also, her life hell also.
Look at the positive side of it, Vandana ji. At least we are committed to stay together.
सर आप एक दूसरे को चोक करके, सफोकेट करके, अपनी लाइफ खराब करके, उसकी करके, कोई भी रिलेशन हो, बहन भाई, वाइफ हस्बैंड, कुछ भी.
But you understand, it can be resolved as long as you are together.
सर रिजॉल्व से अच्छा तो कुछ है ही नहीं. अगर वो हो जाए, दोनों की लाइफ ब्लिसफुल हो, तो वो तो बहुत ही अच्छी, सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन है.
Both of them have given up, no?
Right.
Both have given up कि रिश्ता अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता है. रिश्ता उसी दिन बिगड़ गया था जिस दिन तुम्हारी मम्मी ने बोला था चाय बना के लाओ मेरे लिए.
वो ठीक हो ही नहीं सकता. उसके दिमाग में नुक्स है, वो सोचता ही ऐसे है, इसलिए मेरे को उससे कुछ बात ही नहीं करती.
So what are we doing in our relationships? So let us complete with what Rama sir has to say, then we'll move on. We are not going to do this completely today. It looks like I'll have to continue this conversation tomorrow also. But I wanted to open up this can of worms with you. That bloody hell, are you clear what you want in your relationships? Yeah.
No.
Give general statements, sir. आज आपको क्या चाहिए वो बताओ.
अभी क्या चाहिए?
को जब ये नौजवान थे, जब मैं नौजवान था, जो मुझे चाहिए था वो कुछ और था, क्यों ना? मेरा था कि मैं टूर से आता हूँ ना 25 दिन के बाद, तो मेरी मम्मी के बारे में मेरे को कहानियां मत सुनाया करो कि बच्चों ने ये किया वो किया. मेरे को थोड़ा सुकून की सांस लेने दो, फिर मैं तुम्हारी शिकायतें सुन लिया करूंगा. That is what I wanted then. What is it that we want now so that we can make relationship better from where it stands today? जो चला गया उसको भूल जाओ. What do you want today? Yes, Rama sir.
Sir, one fundamental thing required for anybody and for me also is that the respect, right? When we treat each other with respect. So I know what I need, and I also communicate sometime. But the problem is this: it doesn't reach the other person because I don't respect the other person unless first I demonstrate and then expect and communicate. Only then it works.
Yeah, now you're going 2 steps further, no?
Yes.
Can we stay with the conversation? What do we want in our relationships?
Yeah, we know a few things. See, we don't know many things. At least few things we know. We need the basic respect and decency in interactions.
Can you see what's
The
written?
requirements भी तो रोज change होती हैं हमारी.
Can
So
you
I
see?
know this much. I know this much that I need to have a decency and respect in communication with relationships.
Hello, hello. Can you see the screen? This is the 4th time I'm asking you the same question.
Oh, okay. Sorry. To support each other, to empower each other, to make each other stronger. Yes,
Isn't
absolutely.
it something very basic foundation of any relationship?
Yes.
All the other things which you are asking for will fall
Yeah.
inside only, isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
But this is something very good to remember at some point before we enter into any dialogue,
Yeah.
before we get into any communication with our other person with whom you have a problem. You'll have to have a communication to resolve the problem, correct?
Right.
So before you even get into a discussion, be very clear. Okay, in an ideal relationship, isn't this what you want from each other, really speaking?
Absolutely. Yeah.
We want to support each other. That is
Yeah.
why we're together. No, otherwise, why are you staying together?
Yeah.
Sir, we wanted to do sex so we can have children. That's why we were staying together. Is it? Okay, now you have children. Now what? Why are you staying together? No, sir, now we have to bring them up properly. Ah, very good. Now you're fighting like cats and dogs. You're bringing them up properly. No, you want to empower each other and your family. You want to make each other strong or you want to make each other weak?
Yeah. No, it happens exactly the opposite of all this. Dis-support, disempower,
Correct.
and weaken.
Exactly. So when there are people in a relationship, and my problem, I mean, the topic for today is problems in relationship. Correct. So before we try to resolve the problem in a relationship, it is good for both parties. Like when I do mediation, I get them to see this first. There's no point talking more than this.
Correct.
Unless both of you agree that this is what is required in a relationship.
Absolutely.
There's no more point in discussion.
Yeah. So we forget the fundamentals to start with.
Yeah. I mean, why are we related here? For what? To support each other, na? To empower each other, to make each other stronger. There was a time it used to be like that, by the way. There was a time in our life when it used to be like that.
Yes.
That is why we got together.
Yeah.
Because we felt supported by the other person. We felt the other person was empowering us. We felt that the other person makes me feel strong. So we got together. And after getting together, every day it is opposite now. How not to support each other, how
Yeah.
to empower each other, how to make the other person weak. That's the story.
Yes.
Let us say this is a foundation. If all of us can agree on this, right? Then we'll say, all right, how to make this possible? That's step number 2. All right.
Okay.
So what did you write something? What you just said, I didn't see anything on the screen.
Why it is there on the screen? I'm sharing it. Are you on a laptop or on
On the phone, iPhone, sir.
Ashok ji, are you on phone or laptop?
Not laptop. Even smaller than that.
Okay. Can you see the screen which I'm sharing? with
Yeah,
you?
I can see. I can see.
And Hasina ji? Can you see what is there on the screen?
Sir, it is something to do with her adjustments. She has to go to first screen.
Yeah, okay, maybe.
Priya also says
Okay, yes,
she's not able to see.
yes, right. I can see on the first screen.
So this is what I want you to do as a homework so that when you come back tomorrow morning, we can take this conversation further. So let's start operating step by step. I call it
Yeah.
deep to the topic.
So can I share my idea what is coming in my mind now?
No, only I allowed to share is what do you want in your relationship?
Yeah. I mean, see, relations are, we have to identify relations like commercial relations in
Whatever
office or, yeah. There you don't,
Whatever relationship you may be having, you tell me whether it's commercial or personal. Is this not what you want?
yeah, this is what, I mean, I have to identify what is missing or what can be done. And
नहीं, वो
what,
सब
I mean,
step है यार. तुम why you go to next step? Let's do it step by step. You will achieve more. Step number 1, do you want to support each other
okay.
in your relationship? Do you want to
Yes.
support each other? Do you want to empower each other?
Yes.
Do you want to make each other
Yes, sir.
stronger? So everybody has to say naturally, yeah,
Yes,
this is what we
definitely.
want. Otherwise, why to have a relationship only?
Yes, yes.
See, as long as you're clear that this is what we want in a relationship, next step is okay, how to make it possible.
Yeah.
So that we will do tomorrow.
Yeah, looking at insights and yeah.
Yeah. So between today and tomorrow, I want you guys to think on one thing, and that thing is, right? What can we do to support the other person? What am I doing to support the other person? What am I doing to empower the other person? Is that other person feeling empowered by me or not? What am I doing to make the other person stronger? See, between today and tomorrow, you can look at yourself only, no? After you've looked at that, okay, what am I doing to support the other?
Yes, sir, got frozen. No, sir.
Yeah, there is a net problem.
Yeah,
Weak.
Okay.
network issue, it should be
So
okay.
let's
So
get,
when you say if you empower or support, let's take any relationship, whether it's, let's say, a brother, sister. So support each other and empower is, what would you do in that? Like you would do what he likes or not
No,
interfere
even-
in what he doesn't like?
Now, Vandanaji, even before saying what to do, how to do, is it clear that why do we need the relationship? That's the question today.
Okay.
Why do we need? What do we need in the relationship? How do we do it? I think we will look at it tomorrow. Yes, Vetri,
So-
you have something to say.
Just a quick thought, sir. He asked a beautiful question. Today we are discussing about problems in relationship. If you understand that, we usually refer this as a relationship problems, problematic relationships. But if we go to that level, there is a problem in relationship than the problematic relationship problem. There is a problem in relationship, then we are good enough to getting into the solution.
No, the problems we can talk even now, all the 365 days, we can talk all the problems actually.
Yes.
We have more than sufficient problems. The question is, do we have the clarity on what do we expect in a relationship, good relationship? I
The
think
first
that
you
is the
said is,
point.
why do we need this relationship, whatever it is? That was first you mentioned, right?
Not why,
Analyze.
not why.
Yeah.
Do
Mhm.
you know what is your expectation in the relationship?
Mhm,
So that's the fundamental question today.
mhm.
Do we know? Yes, Kunanji, go on.
yeah, to just my thought on Vandana's Ji's question. Normally what happens, what I have experienced personally is that I detach myself with other person. Sir has wonderfully given the concept of oneness. So when I think I am different from other person, when I don't have the feeling of his or her feelings, if I don't put myself in her or his shoes, then I think I am different from him or her. I am separate, she is separate, or other person is not like me or not part of me. Then I can't get the emotion, the feeling, empathy of the other person. So it's very important to have in the state of oneness, he or she is like me or part of me, like being a drop in the ocean, part of the ocean. So when we are in that mind state, automatically we feel that, okay, let me find out what is the problem. How can I help? How can I support? And sir has also given a wonderful tool that always be in the state of giving, serving. We normally are in the state of getting, asking. So when we shift from our mind state, from expecting to serving, then we start feeling that, oh, what exactly is the, what could be the requirement of other person. By the way, Sagar, congratulations.
Yes, sir.
It's your sister baby or son, brother's baby or?
Yeah. So yeah, Sagar, before you come in, Kunanji, I think what you are saying is right. That is the ultimate thing. But to start with, from where we are, do we know what is our expectation? The other point is also, do we know what is the expectation of the other person? Which is nothing different from my own expectation. When I expect certain things from the fundamental thing from the relationship, the other person also expects the same thing.
Right, sir. And also, I remember sir has explained us that sometimes we are having the unrealistic expectation that everyone should be happy with me. If I have a relationship with this person, family or whosoever, he should understand my feelings. So we always live in the mindset of should, like without expressing, they should understand what I expect.
Yeah,
so
that's
the relationship is very much related to expectation management.
Yes.
And I'm sure that tomorrow we'll learn more about this. But what I have taken away from today's conversation is that we have to deep dive within first, and then look into what exactly I am doing personally to make this relationship better than just expecting and complaining and blaming that he or she is not doing something which he or she should do. But first we should look within. That's what sir left us with the question, that introspect what exactly I am doing to make or support the other person, empower by giving and making the other person stronger. So thank you so much.
Basically, we would look at other person's desires and try to make it happen. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah. So that is the what to say, specific transaction. But the fundamental expectation from us and from others is what sir explained, okay, in the slide. Do we have clarity on that? That fundamentally we are all human beings. Fundamentally we all want to have relationships, and why we want those relationships is what he explained, that we want to make each other stronger. We want to support each other, right? So do we have that clarity? I think that is the missing point. Very clear. We just jump into many other things without having this clarity.
Now you want us to answer tomorrow that why do you need that relationship and what do you expect out of it? Is that right?
Yeah, so we can get into, there are so many steps to get into. Today, the point is, are we clear on why we need the relationship among people?
So now when you say, let's say sister relationship or brother or a father or a daughter or a husband, wife, it's because it is a family. So you need to be there and you need that relationship.
So we are there to support each other. We are there to empower each other. We are there to make each other stronger.
Yeah, so this question doesn't come in the family then, why you need it, because that is to be there.
That is exactly the problem, Vandanaji. We assume that, we take it for granted that there is no question about all these things, and we forget the fundamental itself. So that's the point.
For every relationship, we have to check first what is the need of that relationship.
Yes.
Okay.
And yeah, exactly. That's exactly he's been asking from the beginning. Even I was also confused, and we went into all the directions.
Sorry, I joined in late because I was on the other this thing meeting, just finished and ran to this meeting.
No,
So I
no, no.
joined
I
in
think
between.
no,
Yeah.
your points are very valid. I think the
Mhm.
point sir was trying to communicate today is, do we know exactly why do we need the relationships, and what do we expect in any good relationship?
By the way, Ramaswamy, can we know more about Vandana ji, what exactly she does? And
Yes, of course. Vandana ji, please go ahead and
I
introduce
am
yourself.
into, yeah, sure. I am Vandana and I am from Gurgaon and I'm working for last many years in apparel exports to basically all over the world, which is US, Canada, UK, and we are into apparels and homewares. And that is one part. And second, also I'm working with Sunana on study abroad consulting for students.
oh, you are winning.
Great.
We met the
Yeah.
other day.
Yeah.
By the way, after a long time, Reem ma'am has joined this conversation, and Reem ma'am is another powerful woman, and she has been into training and all such stuff. So, Reem ma'am, would you like to share something? She was there on camera, then she left.
Sorry, I also do training. We also have institutes where we train people. We are into skilling in remote places of India, all over India, in various states, where we train students who are come from a very, very poverty-stricken backdrop, and we train them and help them settle in jobs. We handhold them till they are settled in their jobs.
Wow. That's great.
Related to, again, exports only, where they get jobs in various factories in the city. So we pick them up from their native villages, and it's so overwhelming to see that these people, they're like so below poverty line that they eat only maybe one meal a day, and that too when they go and dig in the river to find the root of a plant, and then they can only eat their one meal after getting that. So you have to see the transformation, which is my true joy of living, that once she or he comes from there, and I believe in women empowerment, and I really feel very excited when I see a girl transforming from there till she gets trained and gets onto the job. And then you have to see their enthusiasm, the way they are changed, transformed, like it's from lava to becoming a butterfly. They get so confident, nobody can beat them then.
Yeah, that's great contribution.
Congratulations, ma'am.
So,
Let's-
Kunenji, sir's laptop is crashed. So I think the session is over. So we will stop the recording. But in case anybody wants to still continue, because this is a very important topic.